Good morning, students. We are going to continue with the same supplementary reader book, A Pact with the Sun, and in that supplementary book, we will be understanding chapter 2. The name of the chapter is The Friendly Mongoose. So basically, students, this chapter is about a companion, a friend that is not a human being at all, but an animal who is very friendly, and he is a small baby mongoose. So let us move further to start our lesson and to understand more and to get what the story is about. This is the story, students, which is there in your book, The Friendly Mongoose. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. "We must have a pet," the farmer said to his wife one day. "When our son grows up, he will need a companion." Companion means a friend, be it an animal or a person with whom we spend much of our time. "This pet will be our son's companion." His wife liked the idea. So here, students, we got that once in a village, a farmer with his wife and their small son used to live together. They used to be very happy. The parents used to take care of their son very much, and they used to love him a lot. So one day farmer thought of, and he asked his wife that when our son grows, don't you think that he will be needing a companion, that means a friend? His wife agreed, and she says, "Yes, we think that we need to have a pet so that he becomes the best friend of our son." They both liked the idea. I hope, students, that every one of you understands the fact that we need a friend in our life, be it in the form of an animal or in the form of a person. We need them. Probably, I feel many of you must be having a pet at homes with whom you would be playing, especially in this lockdown. In the similar way, one evening what happened, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. Tiny means small mongoose. "It's a baby mongoose," said his wife, "but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son." Students, I hope you understand what this mongoose means. It's a small furry animal with a long tail, and it eats snakes. So both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. A lovely animal with 2 small shining black eyes and a bushy tail. Bushy is thick tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in a cradle. Cradle here means a baby's bed, which we can say a crib, and crying alternatively. So here it means that one evening what the farmer did was he brought a small little baby mongoose to his home. The wife was very happy, and she says that fine, it's a baby mongoose, and my son and this baby mongoose will grow together. But in 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had fully grown up in its full size, and it looked so lovely as it had 2 little shining black eyes and the thick and a long tail it had. Farmer's son was still a baby. He was still small, and he used to sleep in the crib, in the baby's bed, that is a cradle given here. Many a times the baby used to sleep, and the other moment when he wakes up he used to cry. Alternatively, this was the routine of the baby, that when he's asleep he's sleeping quietly, but when he wakes up he used to cry badly with a loud noise. He used to cry and cry. Then what happened one day, Now one day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Students, cradle is pronounced as cradle, not cradle or cradle. So here fed means, it is actually the past tense of feed, and it means to make her baby eat. Rocked him to sleep, that means she became successful in making her child sleep in his little bed, that is in his little crib, which is the cradle here. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I am off to bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. So here what happened, students, that one day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market to bring certain things, some necessities for home, and she fed the baby. She made her baby eat and made him sleep as well in the cradle. She picked up the basket and said her husband that, listen, I am going to bazaar to buy some important things. It's better that you look after our child. The baby is sleeping. But I'm very frank and I'm saying you that I seriously don't believe in leaving my child alone with the mongoose. So it's better you look after him. This is the picture display of the story, students. I just want my students to understand the story easily and properly. Okay, so here you can see the child is sleeping in his crib, or you can say the cradle, or a small little bed. The wife of farmer is actually going out with a basket to buy certain things for home. And she is also saying her husband to take care of the child, as frankly she cannot leave the child alone with the mongoose. You can see the mongoose also here, that is just beside the child's crib. After the farmer's wife said that she really does not believe leaving her child alone with the mongoose, the farmer replied, you need not be afraid. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby. They are the best friends, you know. So the farmer is saying here that it's better that you need not be afraid or be worried about anything, as the mongoose is as sweet as our own child and they are the best friends. Although I am here to take care of our child. You go to the market. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields. That was not far away. Fields mean an open area where the farmer grew his crops. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. This means that after the wife went for the market, the farmer was actually getting bored and he had nothing to do. So he also thought that the mongoose is there at home to look after the child. So he decided of going to the field that was not far off his residence, that was not far off his place, and he thought that within some time he'll be back to his house. After he went to his fields, and when he was returning back, he got some friends on the way. They had a talk, and it was quite a time that he returned to his house. It took actually much of time for him to return his house. When he returned, he saw something different has happened at home. What was that? We will get to know, students, in our next class, that is in the part 2 story. Coming to the glossary of the story, that means the tough words that we actually got while reading the story and while understanding it. So we actually had a healthy discussion on each and every tough word that we got in the story. coming up to the first one, companion, a person or animal with whom one spends a lot of time. So we read in the story that the child's companion was a small baby mongoose. Mongoose is a small furry animal with a long tail and the one who eats snakes and other animals. Bushy is growing thickly, like mongoose had got a bushy tail. Frankly means in an open and in a direct manner. Cradle is a crib, which means a baby's bed. So this was the end of the video today. We will be continuing the story tomorrow, students. Until then, you'll be getting some questions related to the first part of the story, and you will be answering all those questions in your Fair Reader notebook.